again, you beautiful people of the planet Earth, and welcome to another episode of Life Learning. So today you've just helped me unbox a little something for myself. I bought it for me as a Christmas gift, but I couldn't wait to open it. I couldn't wait until Christmas Eve or Christmas Day because I was going to wear it over a Christmas dinner party at our friend's house. So I did do something. I gave myself a little fancy gift. So this is the envelope. You'll see, this is where you'll find they've actually inserted the, like I've showed you earlier, the return label if I ever need to return it, and like a thank you note, and then the proof of purchase. Yeah, so it's good that they have this on a paper like this, not the usual receipt wherein it fades over time. So if you ever want to sell your leather goods, the receipt would last you a lifetime. So that was that, and here she is. She's gorgeous. I was actually open to buying a pre-loved one, but they are selling it for more than how much Louis Vuitton sells it online. So I was like, what's up with that? If it's secondhand, it should not be selling for more than the actual cost of the product. So I like this because I've really just been looking for something small, because I'm just I just go to the grocery shops, and if I'm driving, I want to be able to put my cards and my lip gloss and my driver's license and my keys. So I don't really need a bag. If I ever would, I'm the type to actually wear or bring a bag with me to work, which is really massive. My laptop has to fit inside, but sometimes I just really want something that I could just sling like this, or maybe do a double tie or sling like that. So it's pretty cute and light, and it really does the job. It's got a massive space inside. I feel like I can fit, I don't know, we will try in a bit. So that was that, and then it came in this gorgeous pouch. This is the lovely box. Let me just arrange it like so. And what's good about this, because I bought it during the Christmas or festive season, they'll give you a Christmas bag if you ever wanted to give it to someone, which is really cute. I will keep this. I feel like over time it's also going to increase in value. I feel like I can sell that bag and it's going to be worth something. So now let us try to fit something in here. Okay, so let's try and fill her up. So firstly, got a really chunky keychain. So it fits nicely in there, and I cannot live without my Dior lip oil. And my mints, and maybe an eyeliner. Will it fit? It does. Yeah. I mean, if I need to put my license inside, let me just grab just a random card. Maybe this. Yeah. Fits, baby. I feel like I should tidy up my car keys. Let's switch it's just chunky. But the thing is, I can't get rid of this is the nut tag, because I have trouble locating this chunky thing all the time. Like, I feel like I just leave this in random places and I don't know how to find it. So, well, this is my roof box key. This is for when you go shopping at Aldi if you don't have a coin. And this is this is the roof box key. This is the bike rack key. This is a can opener. These are the house keys. So you can see it's a handful, but it can fit in here. And my eyeliner. I don't know about the eyeliner though. I feel like I'm pushing it too far. Yeah, maybe the eyeliner could go. It's just too long. And I've got a chunky keychain, key holder. So as long as we got everything fits. So let's try her on. Yeah, she could go casual, semi-formal. It goes with anything. It's a really great investment, I would say, because I am biased and I love these elegant pieces from Louis Vuitton. I'm not really into designer brands, but I feel like this brand in particular and this print is just timeless and classic. I remember getting my Louis Vuitton Never Full bag. That was, I think, 11 years ago. I bought it when I went on a Euro tour for the first time, and I think it was only for 600, I think roughly 600 euros. And now they're selling like, it's an investment basically. So if I sold it now, which I would never do, but I keep thinking, I always have that mindset of buying stuff as an investment, because in the event, like if I ever have to need money right away, I can always just sell it, and it would increase in value. I would make money out of it. But I've never really planned on selling these pieces, because I feel like I can hand them down, or I can pass it on to my granddaughters, I'm hoping. So yes, I'm pretty happy. This is my Christmas gift for myself, and let me know what you think. But I feel like this is something really useful. I've been wanting to get my hands on like a tiny bag. I would have been happier with just like a card type holder, but that could not hold my keys, and especially my driver's license and my lip gloss. So that was kind of the reason behind this. But I'm really happy. It's a happy purchase. So let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, I don't know what questions you would probably have, but yes, you know how to get to me. So that's it for now, you guys. If anything, leave me a comment down below for whatever reason. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Merry Christmas. Namaste.